Okay, friends, this is our reading grit test. Okay, you're going to take this quick little quiz to help you make some goals to be the best reader you can be. It takes grit. And you see this red star up here? This says required. That means you have to do it. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I'm filling it out so that if you're having trouble reading the words on the goal sheet, you can see what I did. What is your name? I'm going to write my name here. I'm going to say Jana. I could put my last name as well. I read a lot every day during school and after school. And I'm going to say yes, I do read a lot during school. I'm reading all day long, actually. It starts with the paper. So yes, I do. I fill out my log truthfully when I read. I also study my reading to see how I can get better. I have to say no, that is not me at all. The choices are yes, me, very much like me, a little like me, or no, not like me at all. So I'm going to say nope, I don't do that. I finish books that I start. Yes, that's very much like me, but maybe it's just a little bit like you. Maybe it's not like you at all. Okay, yes, that is like me. Okay. When I get to a hard part or word I don't know, I work harder and try to make sense out of the text. Oh, yes, that is very much like me. I have a lot of grit in that area. Okay, and then I would submit it by going submit. Okay, friends, so that's that.